Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this w213 today, and this car is the 2016 model. Here you can see this one is the smaller displays. In this car we cannot program the CarPlay or CarPlay Android Auto. Both are not possible to do coding or programming. So we have installed a module box in the car, and this is the module box resolution or interface. If I go back on the home menu of this interface, so here you can see this module looks like this. You need to press this back button for 3 seconds to shift on the CarPlay or the OEM menu. Here you can see this one is the OEM menu of the car. So we will press this button for 3 seconds. It shifts like to this menu, and again from the menu we have lots of functions. First of all, we have music, we have CarPlay, Android Auto, mirroring, we have Bluetooth, video, settings, but I will show you the CarPlay first. Here I have the iPhone connected here, so all my iPhone applications that supports CarPlay are available here. So first of all, you can see we have the phone app, Bluetooth app, music app, the maps, the messages, now playing, Mercedes, podcast, audiobooks, calendar, setting, Google Maps, Spotify, WhatsApp Business, and every app that supports the CarPlay is available here. You can use Siri, you can use the normal navigation. Here is the split screen. So here we have the CarPlay menu. So that's the CarPlay. If you have any questions, queries, this supports all the OEM functions and all the features of that car have from factory. Plus this car, if the car has no backup camera or any other feature, you can connect with this car module, CarPlay module. You can connect back camera, 360 camera, everything is possible. That's the video for today. See you next time in another video.